Hello children. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Children, let us start our class with a song. Are you ready children? So come on, let us start our day with a song. All of us stand up children. Sing along with me, okay? Done? Yes, very good children. Come on, start. Rise and shine. Welcome the day today. Rise and shine. Welcome the day today. Rise and shine. I'm so glad to see you all. Did you enjoy the song? Yes, children. I too enjoyed. So clap yourself. Very good, children. Keep doing that. Today, I am here in our English class to recite a poem. Are you ready, children? Are you ready to listen the poem? What is the poem name? The poem name is One Thing at a Time. Children, before starting the poem, I want to discuss few things with you. Are you ready, children? Okay, children. Now you all are staying at your home, isn't it? Are you feeling bored, children? Yes, but from morning to evening, you are doing lot of things. When you get up in the morning, you will do exercise. Yes, yes or no? You do running, jogging. Yes. Next, you take a bath. Yes, you pray to God. You wish your mother and father. You have your breakfast. Yes. Next, again, at evening time, you like to play some games. You go outside and you play outdoor games. Again, you can play indoor games also in your house. You enjoy. Children, you play some. You spend few time for playing also, so that your mind becomes fresh, isn't it? Yes, you have to help your mother also, mother and father in your house. Children, are you watering the plants in your house? Keep doing that, children. It's a very good habit. Next, children, why I am discussing all these things with you all? Because the things which you do in your home, are you doing at a time, children? All things you are doing at a time? No. Then what you are doing? So one thing only you will do at a time. Only one thing. Anytime you have to do only one thing at a time. If you do all the things together, the work will not be proper. The time will be wasting. Again and again you have to repeat the work. Yes or no, children? Your time will waste, your energy will waste, everything will become waste. So you have to plan anything and do only one thing at a time. So today, from my English reader, I am going to recite a poem. The poem name is One Thing at a Time. Shall we start? I will sing the poem, children. You also learn. Sing along with me. Learn the song. Learn the poem. Okay, children? Work while you work. Work while you work. Play while you play. Play while you play. Work while you work. Work while you work. Play while you play. Play while you play. To be useful and happy. To be useful and happy. That is the way. That is the way. Understood, children? Come on, next. Things that you do with your might. Things that you do with your might. And things done halves, things done halves are never done right, are never done right. One thing at a time, One thing at a time, has done that well, has that done well, has that done well. Is a very good tune, is a very good tune, as many can tell. Is a very good tune, as many can tell. Yes, children, did you enjoy the poem? Yes, children, you also learned the poem. Now you open your English reader, page number 33. We will recite a poem. Name of the poem is One Thing at a Time. This poem teaches you that whatever you do, whether you study or you play, you do that thing with full attention and concentration. See here in this picture, the boys are playing with full joy, taking interest and enjoying the game. Work while you work, play while you play. To be useful and happy, that is the way. So by doing this in a proper way, that thing will be useful and makes you feel happy. Isn't it, children? These are the lines. Next, see here in this picture, what is happening? This boy is studying, he is doing his homework and along with he is playing also. So what happens? See, the ink spills. You can see ink spills on his notebook and all his work is spoiled. So he has to do that work again. He was not able to play and he was not able to study. Yes, children, when you study, you be full focused on your studies. Let us read these lines. All that you do, do with your might. Might means what, children? Intelligence. Might means intelligence, showing interest, doing any work with interest. Things done by halves are never done right. And if you leave anything incomplete and if you will not take any interest in the work you do, then that work will be never complete and your time will be wasted. And these lines, come on children, can you see here these lines? These lines tell that when you do any work at one time, then you do that work only with full focus. Then that work which you are doing will be done properly in a well manner. And everyone says the work is done well. Yes. Next, if you are doing one thing at a time, it is a very good rule. Yes, children. And that rule should be followed by everyone, as many can tell. So this is a very nice poem, One Thing at a Time, and from which you can learn a lesson related to life. Children, you have to learn from this poem how to plan the work accordingly. Okay, children, today you open my English reader and read all these lines and practice this poem, children. I will ask you in the
online class children. Thank you. Have a good day.